PATSY doing a little fireside. Today we're cooking deer, wild deer that was caught. PATSY, how you going there, Gil?
Hot! Hot, hot, hot!
Cooking by the fireside, looking out onto the Atlantic Ocean. There's PATSY's apartment. That's going to be ready for tour action. There's the grand old house. Now, Pat, how you going there, Gil?